Hi, welcome all. Periodic classification of elements. All you have seen the chart of elements periodic table. The study of the total topic can be fragmented into the three parts. Historical things about the classification of elements, which includes different ways of classification given by Dalton, Lavoisier, Proust theorem, Dobereiner stride, Newland's octave, Lothar-Meyer arrangement. All these historical development, that is one part of the one fraction of the topic. Second fraction of the topic deals with periodic tables, Mendeleev's periodic table as well as modern periodic table, their features, merits and demerits. And the third part, that is advanced and important, that is trend in periodic properties. As we move from top to bottom in a groups as well as we move from left to right in a period, what about the different periodic properties of the elements? These properties either increases or decreases, and with reason, that explanation that is to be given about the trend in periodic properties: atomic size, ionic size, ionization potential, electronegativity, electron affinity, valency, oxidation state, metallic non-metallic characteristic. All these properties, their trend in periodic properties with reason. This is the third fraction of the topic. Now I'll give you the introduction about the content. About 30 elements were known in 1800. Then slowly steadily the number of elements get known to us. Discovery of the elements occurs year by the different scientists worldwide. And nowadays in 2022 IUPAC confirmed discovery of 118 elements. So classification of elements, why it is essential? Classification of elements is essential. I am going to give answer of this question. Elements classification is essential so as to study all elements and their corresponding compounds within a short span of a time, so as to study all elements, their compounds and many different products formed by these elements, so as to study them systematically and in short span of a time. It is essential to classify the elements. Besides this, human needs are unending. We require more and more comfort. Okay, new material with the new properties human being require. Say for example, spectacles, watch, clothes, vehicles, constructional material, okay, even food as well as all the things. Okay, now we require more and more comfort. It's a nature of human mind. So as to produce the pharma products, rubber, plastic, thermocol, many different products, chemical products, we may give example. So we require the more and more advanced things, newer things, so as to produce new material, new substances with the new chemical properties. It is essential to understand what is the basic thing of the, what are the building blocks of all type of matter. Once we know the building blocks of the all type of matter, then it is easy to produce a newer material. Simple examples can be given. Two examples I'll give. In a home, the arrangement is made: a rack, shelves, drawer, locker, shoecase. Okay, like in, so as to keep the kitchenware, different arrangement is made, so as to keep the proper things at a proper place. Such a arrangement is made. And because of this, it becomes easy to get the proper thing. There is a certain place for the clothes, certain specific place for the all the materials, books, okay, and all that, say kitchenwares and something else. So we are getting these things, we can make use of these things whenever we want. Okay now, so that is comparable with the classification of elements. If elements are get classified, so it is easy, it is convenient to produce a newer material, newer substances from them. Another example, say in a kitchen, someone knows all the things are kept properly, where the salt, flour, vegetables and all different things in the kitchen. If someone knows the things perfectly, then it become convenient to cook, to prepare. Okay, so in the same way, the scientist, researcher who knows about the characteristic of the basic fundamental units of matter, that is nothing but the atoms, those which know the properties of these different elements. So for that individual, for such a researcher, okay, it is helpful to produce the new material with the new chemical properties. Okay, yeah, bye, thank you.